Hello. So, these are very old panels with very recent monitors that I did not like to begin with, but, well, not to begin with. I made them for the DIY audio thingy, Hengelo 2026. Well, one of the tweeters went bad the day before, and as usual, I did not have a lot of time left. It was the day before, so I thought, well, fuck it, I'll bring nothing this time. And after I thought, well, I'm not even gonna repair them because I didn't like them all that much. Main reason is the signature Dayton woofers also have some distortion in the 400 range. I don't know, it's not very nice. And I used the closed box and then the Linkwitz transform thingy, and I don't like that either. I don't know. It sounds forced, which it is, of course, but it's not very nice. Maybe the woofers are not up to the task. I don't know, but anyhow, I use them right now the same way, but this panel is crossed much lower, so I get kind of not completely rid of the crap around 400, 300. Use a very simple tweeter that is kind of shitty with rubber magnet, which I do not make anymore, but anyhow. We can play a tune, just for fun and giggles. Let's see if the mic is kind of in the correct position. Well, sort of. Yeah, let's play a few tunes. This is the third time I did it because I forgot to disable my low end notch that is in this room. Because if I'm sitting at the couch here, I have a lot of 50 hertz. Whoops. By the way, also funny, I talked to I forgot his name, sorry about that, but Greg, I think. Well, scrap that, because I'm not sure. From GT Audio, so at least his name is starting with a G. And it's planar magnetic loudspeakers that I've seen on the internet once or twice. So it was really funny to have a talk with him because he knows a lot about this stuff and he's doing it much longer than me. So it was cool to have a chat with someone that has the same, well, hobby, I mean, at least interest. Let's make sure it's not shorting out for a change. Don't want to blow up my amp. Although, he will probably manage. So, cheap ass woofer, 45 euros. Very old panels, worth not much, but doesn't really matter. It's the amount of work. And in this case, they're quite fucked. But they still play, and that's why I use them every now and then. If I want to convince myself, or not at all, that I want to use rubber magnets in some cases. So let's go. Yeah, two songs.
Certo ci fu qualche tempesta, anni d'amore alla follia. 1000 volte tu dicesti basta, 1000 volte io me ne andai via. Ed ogni mobile ricorda in questa stanza senza culla i lampi dei vecchi contrasti. Non c'era più una cosa giusta, avevi perso il tuo calore ed io la amore di conquista. Mio amore, mio dolce, mio meraviglioso amore, dall'alba chiara finché il giorno muore, ti amo ancora, sai, ti amo. So tutto delle tue magie e tu della mia intimità. Sapevo delle tue bugie, tu delle mie tristi viltà. So che hai avuto degli amanti, bisogna pur passare il tempo, bisogna pur che il corpo esulti, ma c'è voluto del talento per riuscire ad invecchiare senza diventare adulti. Mio amore, mio dolce, mio meraviglioso amore, dall'alba chiara finché il giorno muore, ti amo ancora, sai, ti amo.
Pianist made a little slip up.
Il tempo passa e ci scoraggia, tormenti sulla nostra via, ma dimmi, c'è peggiore insidia che amarsi con monotonia. Adesso piangi molto dopo, io mi dispero con ritardo, non abbiamo più misteri, si lascia meno fare al caso, scendiamo a patti con la terra, però è la stessa dolce guerra. Mon amour, monde montagne merveilleuse amour, de l'aube claire jusqu'à la fin du jour. Je t'aime encore, tu sais, je t'aime.
Yeah. I don't know. Several things. I don't like the upper low end of the bass drivers in the box. Not very nice. And I think a little bit of the main resonance of the panel is still seeping through. Well, seeping through, maybe a little bit too much. Should have placed a notch there or add some damping. I have to look into this further. I mean, if this is, well, not the combination, but what I want to make. Anyhow, see you later.